Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kweku Benjamin, and if today is your first time on this channel, I'd like you to subscribe, like, and also leave your comments in the comment section below. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install this VPN that allows you to browse for free. And mind you, this VPN is the most fastest VPN that I've ever come across. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. So first, I'll head over to Play Store. I'll click on Play Store. Okay, so you have to search AM Tunnel Lite VPN. As you can see, it's already showing here. So I'll click on this app and I'll install it. Okay, so it is installing. So let's wait for it to finish installing, then we launch it. So before I launch it, I would like to switch my data to MTN because I have no bundle on my MTN SIM card. So let me switch. Let me clear this thing. So as you can see, I've switched my SIM to MTN to prove that I don't have any data on my MTN. Let me click on this one and see if it will load. You see, it's not loading. You see, that shows that I don't have any bundle on this SIM. So let's launch the application. So okay, and here I'll select global. I'll select global and I'll click connect. Okay, it's connecting. As you can see, it has connected. Let's browse and see if it works. As you can see, the data is on the SIM1, which is MTN. So let's try something and see. See? Apart from, let's try something else and see. Okay, let's try YouTube. Let's check and see if it will load YouTube. Okay, it's working. This app really works. So I would like you to subscribe, like, and also leave your comments in the comment section if it works for you. So without wasting much of your time, I would like to end this video here. As you can see, it's loading the page. Bye bye.